Good morning, friends. I'm at the tennis court of Mr. Surendra Pawar, Bandra Reclamation. Come here, man. I call him Bade Miyan and he calls me Chote Miyan. This is our dynamic coach, Mr. Surendra Pawar, who has created a lot of national champs. And Mr. Gulzar, everybody loves him. He's an amazing, amazing, humble man. He has 3 children. One of his daughters is in Belgium, and his his grandchild speaks French with me. Aransh, क्या नाम उसका? Ayan. He speaks French with me. So this is Coach Pawar. Or sir, how you feel after the lockup? We are thankful to the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray ji and the government of Maharashtra. Because most of us, at least me, I'm a heart patient, I have diabetes, I have a lot of problems. So this little bit of game helps us recover. Baki sir, what is your message to people who want to learn to play tennis?
We started now.
Yeah.
After the lockdown. Let them come and play, start the tennis.
Okay. But you must have been really bored because I think you love tennis and you love the tennis players also. Now there is this gentleman called Janri Dhaya. You know him?
Yes, sir.
He is a very famous artist in Bandra Chapel Road. He is always talking about you. वो बोलता मैंने एक चैलेंज ली है कि रैकेट के साथ पेंटिंग करूँगा. ये बात सच है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा. So Ranjit is one of our famous tennis players. He is a great artist, and now let me introduce you to, this is Sanket. I call him poster boy because he's trying to reduce the belly. And this is Rohan, a dynamic instructor, and this is the bloodline of Mr. Pawar. This is Sanket. He has got 5 girlfriends. Sanket, what is your message? What is your message for the tennis people who love tennis?
I think so. We should have started a tennis a long back. As you know, everybody is at home.
But our government is really amazing. It has at least allowed us to, and we are thankful. Again I say it. We are thankful to Uddhav Thackeray ji and his government for allowing us to move our limbs. And this is Darshan Bhendal, amazing coach. He just got married. We were praying that he'll get married because he was married to the racket.
Swing. Ready, relax. Ready, swing. Yes, power nahi pahiye.
So there's not many people on the court. Say a few words. This is a very enthusiastic tennis player. He's an amazing guy. I'm Instagram live.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good to see you after a long time.
No, but how you feel now after so?
I feel very good. It's been sir has been very encouraging because even in the rains he's told us to come and not miss a day.
Very
and
good.
In fact, he's told us to come all the days, Monday to Friday.
Very
Earlier
good.
we were doing only Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Right.
But now because of the rains, he said no.
Yeah, because very few people come during the rains. I've been playing for last 7 years.
Exactly.
So, but anyway, thanks a lot for your. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah. So these are the. You want to say something? This is Instagram live.
Hi, my name
This-
is Martina and I've just joined tennis and I love playing it. Kind of a workout, But today, thank you for the rain gods for not raining.
And thank you to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray
Oh
ji.
yes, a very big thank
We
you
have
for allowing us.
we
to
have one of
play.
the. I am not into politics, but we have the best government. We have a government that feels for us.
Yes,
and-
especially for the youth.
Yeah, especially for the youth. And these are youngsters. There are very few people on the tennis court. And if you saw my photos I posted yesterday, the entire ground, the entire ground was flooded totally. Good morning, Ranjit ji. Good morning, Sohail. And now we are going to play the entire rainy season. But we have to play with caution. We don't have to slip. I said we are going to play during the rains with lot of caution. So
We only teaching in a raining. Otherwise,
nobody teaches in the rains.
in Maharashtra.
He has been my best coach. He has given me a second life. I am a bypass surgery. I've had my bypass surgery in December. 3.5 months I rested, and after that he came home, encouraged me to play. Even now I have my right hand is not okay. You can see it does not bend fully, but he has allowed me, and I'm grateful to him.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So that is the other court that is vacant now because very few people come during the rains. Good morning, Sohail. So that is the second court. In the evenings there is no tennis here. The court is open from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's it. After that, there used to be an evening batch for the kids, but that has been stopped due to the guidelines by the Maharashtra government. We can only play from 5 to 9. There is nobody on the ground, as you can see. Otherwise, morning walkers used to come here. I stopped my morning walk. I walk in the evenings. But I tell you guys, if you want to learn tennis, this is the right place. He's very reasonable. He gives you the tennis racket, everything. And the instructors you see over there, Rohan, Darshan, Sahil, Sanket, they are really, really good. All of them. And they really help out. So that was our tennis court, as you can see. And I play with a mask, though it's not easy because I have a breathing problem. And Sahil is the son of our coach. His daughter is Sneha, and Neha is in Belgium, married to a Mr. Anil Shinde. They have 2 children. And when she comes, she's also a terrific player. She's an ace player, I believe. I met her a few years back when they were in in Mumbai. See, I'm a product of the 50s, so it's very difficult. I remember Bombay as much as I love Mumbai. But I'd rather live and die in Mumbai than anywhere else in India. I was born in Lucknow, but I'm happy my father, at the age of 15, without ticket, took a train to Bombay and changed our lives. My brother is in Birmingham, and all my siblings are doing very well. So, and I have a sister called Rehana. She is the one. She is known as the cat princess of her house. She lives in Bangalore, and she has got about 30 cats, all Persian cats. She loves cats, and the cats love her. But she's not a catty woman, let me tell you that. She does not claw. I love my sisters. Varzana is the other one. She's a motivational coach. Then I have a brother Shakil who's into fashion and tailoring. Then I have another brother. He works for export, Zahir Shakir. And the most rock star of our family is Firdaus Shakir, who's in Birmingham with his wife Shivani. Now let me see if I have forgotten. Yeah, there is another sister. She's cut off all her ties with me. It's okay. I don't mind. She's my elder sister. by choice, not by birth. We have a house, a family house in Kulaba, Moini Mansion. 25 years of my life, or maybe 30 years of my life I lived in Bandra, in Kulaba, and 25 years or 30 years now here in Bandra. So, hi Zoya, how are you? Wish you all the best, Zoya. Take care. Master ji! Oh, Master ji! Master ji, I call him Master ji, I call him father, I call him grandfather, I call him uncle. I don't call him son. Pawar sir is one of the best. Let me tell you about him. He comes from a community and he has risen by himself. I'm proud of his community, Jai Bhim. He is a person who started off, let me tell you about him just a few minutes. He started off as a ball picker at Kharjib Khana. He worked hard. He was not appeased by anybody. And today he learned under Coach Iyer, his coach who is an international tennis coach. And he changed not only the lives of the instructors under him, he's changed the lives of a lot of players. In my life, I have never ever played a game, never, not even as a child. He took me as a child, gave me a racket which is about 12,000 rupees, and he changed my life. I am really grateful to him. The thing about Mr. Pawar is he's a very dedicated person. And now I come to a point to the government of Maharashtra and to Uddhav Thackeray ji and to Aditya Thackeray. These Maharashtrian people that are promoting sports and encouraging others, not just Maharashtrians, others, everybody, beyond caste, color, creed. They should be really promoted, they should be upgraded, something should be done because they have done a lot. He has given employment to people through his techniques of teaching tennis. So I wish you all the best. Stay safe, wear a mask, keep social distance. Sir, kuch bol do.
Thank you. Thank you,
Kuch
sir.
bol do.
Thank you.
Jai Bhim to everybody. Thank you.